Craving crispy, delicious food without the guilt? Let's uncover the top Gourmia air fryers that transform your kitchen and your meals. Whether you're a busy parent, a college student, or just someone who loves quick, tasty meals, this video is your ultimate guide to the 6 best Gourmia air fryers on the market right now. We'll count down from number 6 to number 1, breaking down features, real-life performance, and a few honest drawbacks along the way. Stick around to find out which Gourmia air fryer truly deserves a spot on your countertop, and which ones might not live up to the hype. 6. Gourmia GAF716. Starting off our list at number 6 is the Gourmia GAF716. This 7-quart digital air fryer is designed for families or anyone who loves to cook big batches in one go. The GAF716 boasts FryForce 360 degrees technology, which circulates superheated air around your food, promising a crisp exterior and a moist interior with little to no oil needed. With 12 one-touch cooking functions, including air fry, bake, dehydrate, roast, and more, it's versatile enough for almost any kitchen task. In my hands-on experience, the GAF716's spacious basket made it easy to prepare meals for a crowd. Think a whole bag of fries or a dozen chicken wings in one go. The digital interface is angled and easy to read. I appreciated the guided cooking prompts, which remind you when to add or turn your food for even results. The non-stick basket and crisper tray are both dishwasher safe, making cleanup refreshingly simple after a busy weeknight dinner. However, the GAF716 isn't without its flaws. While the basket is large, its depth can actually be a downside. When you pile food too high, it tends to cook unevenly, requiring more frequent shaking and monitoring to avoid undercooked spots. I also found the control buttons a bit small and hard to read, especially in lower kitchen lighting. A minor annoyance, but one that can frustrate users with vision issues or those who value quick, intuitive operation. 5. Gourmia GAF698. At number 5, we have the Gourmia GAF698, another 7-quart air fryer that's built for versatility and ease of use. Like the GAF716, it features FryForce 360 degrees technology for healthier, crispier results, and offers a range of preset cooking functions to simplify meal prep. The GAF698 stands out with its guided cooking prompts, including optional preheat and turn reminders, which help ensure your food is cooked evenly every time. In testing, the GAF698 handled classic air fryer staples, think fries, wings, and veggies, with impressive consistency. The non-stick basket and crisper tray made for easy food release and quick cleanup, and the addition of a multi-purpose rack allowed me to cook multiple items at once, maximizing the 7-quart capacity. The 10 one-touch cooking functions cover all the basics, from air fry to bake, broil, and dehydrate, making it a true multitasker for weeknight dinners or snacks. Despite these strengths, the GAF698 has a couple of drawbacks worth mentioning. The fan speed range is somewhat limited, which means it doesn't perform as well for more delicate tasks like dehydrating or slow roasting, compared to higher-end models. I also noticed that the temperature stability could be inconsistent, making it harder to follow precise recipes or cook foods that require gentle, even heat. Another minor issue is that the preheat mode, while useful, takes a bit longer than some competitors. This can slightly slow down your meal prep if you're in a hurry. 4. Gourmia GAF1290. Moving up to number 4 is the Gourmia GAF1290, which brings a noticeable leap in both design and performance. The GAF1290 is all about user-friendly features and smart technology. It comes equipped with a digital touch interface that's intuitive and responsive, making it easy to select from its wide array of cooking presets. The FryForce 360 degrees technology ensures your food is cooked evenly and quickly, while the express heat system cuts down on overall cooking time. What sets the GAF1290 apart is its attention to detail. The basket is designed for optimal air circulation, so even when you're cooking larger portions, you get that perfect golden crisp without having to constantly shake or stir. During my tests, I found the GAF1290 excelled at everything from homemade fries to baked salmon, delivering consistent results every time. Another highlight is the included recipe book and cooking charts, which are genuinely helpful for both beginners and seasoned cooks. The GAF1290 also features a keep warm function, which is great for busy families who need to stagger mealtimes. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket and crisper tray make cleanup a breeze, and the overall build quality feels sturdy and reliable. One thing to note is that the GAF1290, while versatile, is a bit bulkier than some other models. If you have limited counter space, you'll need to plan where to keep it. However, the trade-off is worth it for the added capacity and performance. 3. Gourmia GAF784. At number 3, the Gourmia GAF784 takes things up a notch with its sleek design and advanced cooking technology. The GAF784 is engineered for those who want both style and substance in their kitchen appliances. It features a modern digital display, easy-to-use controls, and a range of preset functions that cover everything from air frying to roasting and dehydrating. During my hands-on review, I was impressed by the GAF784's ability to handle a variety of foods with ease. Whether I was cooking frozen snacks, fresh vegetables, or even baking small desserts, the results were consistently crispy and delicious. The Fryforce 360 degrees technology shines here, providing powerful air circulation that ensures even cooking without the need for excessive oil. The GAF784 also stands out for its quiet operation. Unlike some air fryers that can be quite noisy, this model runs smoothly and won't disrupt your kitchen conversations. The basket is spacious enough for family meals, yet the overall footprint isn't overwhelming, making it suitable for most kitchen counters. The non-stick components are, as expected, dishwasher safe, and the build quality feels premium. One feature I particularly appreciated was the guided cooking prompts, which take the guesswork out of meal prep. Whether you're a novice or an experienced cook, these reminders help you get the best results every time. The only minor downside is that the power cord is a bit short, so you'll need to position it close to an outlet. 2. Gourmia GAF823W. Runner-up on our list is the Gourmia GAF823W, a model that combines high-end features with user-friendly design. The GAF823W is perfect for anyone who wants professional quality results without a steep learning curve. It boasts a robust digital interface, multiple cooking presets, and an enhanced Fryforce 360 degrees system for even faster, more efficient cooking. In my experience, the GAF823W handles everything from crispy chicken wings to delicate pastries with impressive precision. The air circulation is powerful and consistent, ensuring that food is cooked evenly on all sides. The basket is generously sized, making it easy to prepare meals for a family or a group of friends without having to cook in batches. What really sets the GAF823W apart is its attention to convenience. The preheat and turn reminders are perfectly timed, so you never have to worry about overcooking or undercooking your food. The digital controls are responsive and easy to navigate, and the overall build feels solid and durable. Cleanup is, as always with Gourmia, quick and painless thanks to the non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket and tray. Another standout feature is the keep warm function, which is ideal for busy households or entertaining guests. The GAF823W also comes with a comprehensive recipe book that's packed with creative ideas for every meal of the day. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance air fryer that's easy to use and maintain, the GAF823W is an excellent choice. Gourmia GPM1270. Finally, taking the crown at number 1 is the Gourmia GPM1270. This model is the pinnacle of Gourmia's air fryer lineup, offering unmatched versatility, performance, and convenience. The GPM1270 is more than just an air fryer. It's a multifunctional powerhouse that can handle everything from air frying and roasting to baking and dehydrating with ease. What makes the GPM1270 truly stand out is its innovative design. The digital interface is sleek and highly intuitive, making it a breeze to switch between cooking modes and adjust settings on the fly. The Fryforce 360-degree technology has been refined for even better air circulation, resulting in perfectly cooked food every single time. During my tests, Everything from thick-cut fries to delicate pastries turned out golden and crispy on the outside, moist and tender on the inside. The GPM1270 also features a spacious, easy-to-clean basket and a range of accessories that expand its functionality even further. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or whipping up a quick snack, this air fryer adapts to your needs without missing a beat. The keep warm and reheat functions are particularly useful for busy families, ensuring that everyone gets a hot, fresh meal no matter when they sit down to eat. Another highlight is the included recipe guide, which is packed with delicious, easy-to-follow ideas that make the most of the GPM1270's capabilities. The build quality is top-notch, with sturdy materials and a design that looks great in any kitchen. Final thought. So there you have it, the 6 best Gourmia air fryers ranked and reviewed. From budget-friendly options to high-end multitaskers, there's a Gourmia air fryer for every kitchen and every cook. Which one will you choose to transform your meals? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and kitchen tips. Thanks for watching, and happy air frying!